Endothelial vasodilator function is an independent predictor of cardiovascular morbidity and mortality. The Endo-PAT methodology is a simple way to assess the effects of drugs and nutrition on endothelial function. Today we're going to show you how to use the Endo-PAT methodology in an office-based setting.
Prior to beginning the study, the patient needs to fast for at least 4 hours and also abstain from caffeine, tobacco, vitamins, or any medications that may affect vascular tone during the study for at least 8 hours. The patient should wear loose-fitting clothes and be free of jewelry on the upper extremities. With respect to location, the study should be conducted in a quiet, dimly lit, temperature-controlled exam room. Apply a blood pressure cuff to the arm and allow the arm to be supported at the patient's side. To allow the patient to reach cardiovascular steady state, they should be relaxed and comfortable in the supine position for at least 15 minutes. Measure the blood pressure in the arm that is not occluded during the Endo-PAT study. Move the cuff to the non-dominant arm, which will be occluded. It is important to know the blood pressure so that the cuff on the other arm can be inflated to a suprasystolic pressure during the arterial occlusion phase of the study. To prepare the Endo-PAT system for acquiring data, open the Endo-PAT 2000 software and click on the icon labeled Patient Information in order to create a new patient file. Complete the Patient Information dialog box by including the patient ID, age, gender, height, weight, and blood pressure. Entering the patient's name is optional. If needed, there is an area to text comments. Next, select 2 new PAT probes and connect them to the pneumoelectrical tubing.